Today we are going to human computer interaction. Is the study of how people interact with computers and to want extend computers or are not developed for successful interaction with human beings. Human computer involve design, implementation and evaluation of interactive system in the context of users, task and work. Based upon the input-output channels, a person interacts with outside world through information being received and sent, input and output. The user interacts with the computer by receiving information that is output by computer and respond by providing input to the computer. So, user's output becomes computer input and output versa. The information be visual, auditory, haptic movement. Information stored in memory, sensory, short term, long term. Information processed and applied for reasoning, problem solving, skill and error. Emotion influence human capabilities for each person is different. So, vision is two stages in vision: physical reception to stimulus, processing and interpretation of stimulus. The eye, that is for physical reception, mechanism for receiving light and transforming it into electrical energy. Next thing, for light reflect from object. Images are focused upside down and retina. Retina contains rods of low light vision and cones of color vision. Ganglion cells are detect pattern and movement. So, interpreting the signals, size and depth. Visible angle indicates how much of view object occupies. That is for release to size and distance from eye. Visible activity and ability to perceive details. That is for limited users. Familiar objects perceived as constant and size. That is for in spite of changes its visual angle when far away. Cues like overlapping help perception of size and depth. So, brightness, there are two descriptions about brightness and color. Brightness for subjective reaction to levels of light affected by luminance of object measured by just notified different. Visual actually increase with luminance, it does reflect color. Makeup hue, intensity, starvation, cone sensitive to color wavelength. Blue activity is lowest, that is for 8% males or 1% color blind. So, the visual system components for movement and changes in luminance. That is for context used to resolve ambiguity. Optical illusion sometimes occur due to our compensation. That is for reading. Several stages of reading. Visual patterns prescribed, decoded using internal representation of language, interpreted using knowledge of syntax, semantics, fragmentation. Next thing, for reading involved scatcode and fixations. Perception occur during fixations. Word shape is important is recognition. Negative context improve reading from computer screen. So, hearing is the provide information about environment, that is for distance, directions, object, etc. Physical apparatus for three types of description. First thing, for outer ear, middle ear and inner ear. Outer ear for protect inner and amplify sound. Middle ear for transmit sound wave as vibration to inner ear. Inner ear for chemical transmitter for released and case impulse and auditory nerve sound. That is for the description for pitch, loudness, timbre. Pitch is the sound frequency, loudness for amplitude, timbre is type of quality. That is for hearing is human can hear frequency from 20 hertz to 15 hertz. That is for less accurate distinguish high frequency than low. So, auditory system filters sound for can attend to sound over background noise. For example, the cocktail party phenomenon. So, touch is the provide important feedback about environment. Maybe key sense for sometime who is visually impaired. That is for stimulus received by repeaters in the screen. Three kinds: heat and cold, pain, pressure, something, etc. Some areas more sensitive than others. For example, fingers. Kindness is awareness of body position.